It's time to go all in. Back in 2023, Tiny G was born, the voice you are hearing right now. I've done graffiti for many years, starting at quite a young age. Off and on at times, some years only scribbling hand styles and others not doing it at all. But these past couple of years have changed everything. What started out as just something to pass time has turned into something that I never would have expected. In 2.5 years, the amount of people I've reached is crazy to think about. It's been a journey for sure. But one thing has been missing this whole time. You've seen my graffiti, you've seen my tutorials, you've seen me spin a pen probably 1,000 times. But you haven't seen me, or as a matter of fact, heard me. Just this AI voice. I never wanted to be known. I've always liked the idea of no one knowing who I am. But I've come to the point where I don't care anymore what people think or what they say. At the end of the day, the AI voice is good, but it's not something people can connect with or look up to. It takes the human element out of it. Hence why it's time to finally be Tiny G, if that makes sense. Now, apologies for the lengthy and slightly dramatic intro. I'm not trying to make it that big of a deal. Just a little bit entertaining. I want to say a quick shout out to everyone who's supported me thus far, with the Quick Start Guide, in the Graffiti University community. And to all the people who watch my content and those behind the scenes. The list goes on. Thank you, everyone. Although I always haven't been consistent, as it's hard sometimes, especially having to do the whole AI voice. It'll be different now. Now, as you read by the title of this video and why you clicked on it, it's time for a face reveal. And it's less about me and more about you guys. So you know what? It's about time. I honestly wasn't sure how to do this or go about it. It definitely feels foreign for sure. But hey, if you aren't outside your comfort zone, you aren't growing. So here's to a new chapter and many, many more. Same Tiny G, just the real version.
How's it going, guys? My name is Tiny G, and yes, this is me. This is what I look like. Don't know what you're expecting, and I don't know what you're thinking right now, but wow. What a pleasure it is to be in this situation right now. Never would I have ever imagined I'd be in this situation when I first started graffiti. Even 3 years ago, it's crazy. And what an honor it is to be teaching you guys graffiti. Like it's the best. I know it is the best. Now, you might be thinking, why the switch up? Why show your face after all these years of being faceless? Well, it's time. I should have done it a while ago, right? But it's something I had to do, and it's something I've always wanted to do, right? But I never really thought I did. Like just a couple months ago, I thought, hey, no, I'm never doing a face reveal. But I thought, you know what? No, I need to do a face reveal, because for me to create what I want to create, the content for you guys, I can't do it with the AI voice. I'm bound to a desk, right? It's just, yeah. And can I just say something? Graffiti tutorials is just going to be a part of it. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to stay true to my roots. You know, graffiti tutorials, that's my thing, that's my jam. But the sky's the limit now, and I've got so many ideas and things that are coming up for you guys, and it's going to be insane. It's going to be absolutely insane. I'm not talking anymore. I'm not going to ramble. I'm just going to keep this super short and super sweet. You know, I'm not going to drag it out for 7 minutes. There's plenty of time in the future to do all that, right? You know, we just met. Anyways, shout out to everyone who's been here since the beginning. Shout out to everyone who's followed along at any point. If you're just watching me now, and this is the first video you've ever seen from me, how lucky you are to end the timing, right? I'd say this is good timing, so hello. But yeah, you guys are awesome. get this show on the road. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Like, not saying anymore. No more spoilers. But it's going to be crazy. All right. Much love. Stay fresh. Keep doing graffiti. I'll catch you. I'll see you guys very soon. Very soon. I mean, the uploads are going to be so consistent, it's not even funny. Alright. Alright. One more thing. Now it's official. You know what's official? Much love. Much love. Yeah. Peace.